New training is about to start here in the Metro to help educate and empower first responders, healthcare workers as they deal with the growing trend of healthcare violence.
It's been a month since firefighter-paramedic Graham Hoffman was killed treating a patient in the back of an ambulance. His assailant charged with murder. A foundation in Hoffman's honor has formed to support healthcare professionals. Fox 4's Hannah King live from the Clay County Public Health Center where that session will be held. Hannah?
Hey, John, well, I know that class that's going to be held here is filling up fast. An event organizer goes on to tell me that's how long healthcare workers have been looking for a lifeline.
Over the years, I myself have experienced a lot of healthcare violence, both from working in the city and even in emergency rooms and hospital settings. And so it's just always been a passion of mine to try and reduce it.
James Moran has been with the Kansas City, Missouri Fire Department for 8 years. Currently with Station 10.
Especially with recent events here in the city, I finally decided it was time to just take the next step.
Introducing recently formed the Station 10 Foundation, where a de-escalation, self-defense, and documentation class for healthcare workers will soon be taught.
I want them to leave knowing that they're loved, knowing that they're supported, and them feeling confident that they can be safe and doing the job that we need them to do.
After Graham Hoffman's murder, it was something that he reached out to me and said, you know, we need to do more for the healthcare community, for our brothers and sisters within our fire services.
Sheriff Aiken helped secure a location for the training.
I mean, this is a part of our culture. We respond to calls for service, and we're always encountering violent people. But in all of my years of doing law enforcement, never have we had to worry about our paramedics, our healthcare workers.
Saying society has become more violent.
What happened to Graham was one of those things where I couldn't wrap my head around it, because I'm like, he was there to help you.
And shares a training like this is vital.
As you can see on me, I've got a tool belt, you know, and I have the training. But when you talk about somebody who's in the back of an ambulance trying to provide medical services, they don't have a tool belt. You know, they don't have that kind of training. And now it's almost sad that we have to prepare them now for these types of violent encounters.
And by the way, this is not affiliated with the Kansas City Fire Department. The class to be held here will take place September the 13th from 8 until noon. We've got what you can expect, who you can expect, and how to sign up at fox4kc.com. Live in Clay County, Hannah King, Fox 4, working for you.